Kid Next Door.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Kid Next Door. So today we'll be drawing garden scene, a very simple garden scene. Here is my drawing sheet, and I'm first starting from the center of my sheet using pencil. Very lightly I'm sketching. Very soon you will know why I'm sketching very lightly. So I have drawn an inverted U and I have doubled the line of that inverted U. Then on the far end, I have drawn a straight sleeping line, and then I have connected that line with the door to mark the passage. Now I'm picking up my marker pen and I'm drawing the further details. So on the inverted U-shaped gate to the park, I'm drawing some bushes, as usually the garden gates are all covered with leaves and climber like plants. So we are drawing these bushy plants. Okay. Now we'll add a fence on the bottom part of the sheet right beside the door so as to mark the boundary of the garden. For the fence, I'm very simply drawing the wooden planks first, which are just two standing lines and a triangular shape on the top. Once I'm done with drawing all these wooden planks, I'm going to connect them with a horizontal line. Same thing we will do on the other side as well. Okay, now we'll keep on working with finer details on the same. So on the wooden planks, I'm drawing some more nails to give it a complete look. Okay, now I'm adding details to the passage which goes inside the park from the door. So on both the sides of this passage, I'm going to add some stones to give it a path like structure. So this is a stony path, you can say that, and there's a border to it. Further, I'm adding some more bushes behind the fence that we have drawn. So, see, it's a garden. It has to be green, covered with trees, plants, flowers of all sorts all around. So, those are going to be the main highlighting area features of our garden. Now, let's add some more details. So, on the right hand side, I'm drawing a fountain. So you draw a rectangle, then a small neck, then a smaller rectangle, and a small neck, and even a smaller rectangle to get a fountain-like structure. And on the top, the nozzle of the fountain shall be there. Later, you can complete the circular part of the fountain, and then we'll give this fountain a border. We'll draw a basic sketch of the fountain with the pen, and rest of the details we will add when we'll be coloring them. So make sure to watch the coloring part of this video as well, because the fountain will look like a fountain only after coloring. Okay, so in the border wall of the fountain, I'm adding some brick-like structures. On the left hand side, we'll add a big lush green tree. So we'll add the main trunk and split the top of the trunk into some branches, and then we'll keep on adding the top part of the tree. In this video, I'll also discuss in detail about how to color the tree and all this entire scene using oil pastel colors, because they are excellent color medium choice when it comes to shading. So we'll be using different shades to reach our final picture. Now on the far end, on the right hand side, I'm adding a small bench, which is usually there in all the gardens, where people can sit down and enjoy the nature around, the landscape around. So we are adding, this is the front view of a bench. Finally, I'll make the horizon boundary with the marker pen. So now I hope it's clear why I first drew some parts with a pencil, because I just wanted a rough estimate of where to place my final objects. Once I'm satisfied with them, I can give them a finished stroke. So in this way, I added few mountains at the back, some more bushes to give the scene a beautiful natural look, and rest of the details we'll be adding when we'll be coloring it. So make sure to watch the video till end. This is how the garden looks like right now, but there are a lot many details which can be added only with colors directly. So we'll be using oil pastels for this scene, as I already mentioned, and first we start with coloring the sky and the mountains. As you can very clearly see, I colored the sky blue, added some clouds with it, and the mountains are colored in shade of dark blue and purple. So that was simple. Now I'll be adding more details to it. So for the tree and the bushes, we first color light green on the top part. Then we add dark green on the bottom part. And final finished touch will come using a dark blue color. As you can see very clearly, with the dark blue color at the bottom of the bush, I have added some strokes to give some texture, some volume to the tree as well as the bushes. This is highly important. So I have used light green, dark green and dark blue to make the green part of the tree. Then you can simply color the trunk brown and the grass green, and the same brown, light brown and dark brown shades will be used to color the fence. So the trick with the oil pastels is that they blend into each other very easily. You just do half part with one color, half part with other color, and they automatically blend seamlessly. Now I'll be coloring the bushes. I have colored top part with light green, bottom part with dark green, and again with blue I have added some volume to them. So you can see in this picture the colors being used. For the passage, the stones by the side I have colored alternatively in light brown and dark brown, and the central passage again is in those shades. The gate of the garden I planned to make it colorful, so I have chosen red, pink, yellow, orange shades. You can do color of your choice. And then we do the background grass green. Now comes the most important part, the fountain. So first we take a light blue color to draw all the water splashing around in the fountain. Thereafter we add more strokes with dark blue color. This will give this fountain a fountain-like feel. and then you color the rest of the picture to get this finished look. This was super easy, simple drawing and coloring technique, but the overall look comes out to be really impressive. So this can be an easy, this is a very common topic in all the art competitions or schools you may be given, so this can be used. Hope this is helpful. If you want to find out more helpful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe us. Goodbye, see you soon.